Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm part of the Ent-r-e-novators project in which I lead a work package on citizen engagement. Throughout a series of videos, I will introduce you to the world of citizen and stakeholder engagement. In this video, I will be talking about different engagement skills. As we've talked about before, traditional research tries to control daily life as much as possible. As you might imagine, public engagement requires very different skills that researchers are not necessarily familiar with. We created a framework with engagement strategies to support researchers interested in engaging citizens and other stakeholders in their research. We did this through a Delphi study. This is a structured, iterative approach to gather the collective knowledge of experts. Based on a literature review, we made a list of engagement strategies that we administered in 2 rounds of questionnaires to a panel of experts. These experts could give feedback and the list was adjusted between rounds. In a final round, experts could vote on the engagement strategies for which there was still some disagreement in an online webinar. As a result, we ended up with a list of engagement strategies that we divided in 8 categories. The first category entails project design and planning. This category emphasizes adaptive and innovative project design and making inclusive choices. Communication is the second category. Part of communication is using storytelling, using digital media, and collaborating with the public. Understanding context focuses on critically evaluating the context and overcoming barriers. Networking and outreach involves defining stakeholder roles, utilizing networks, and organizing consensus discussions. Transdisciplinary teamwork consists of mentorship and encouraging teamwork across disciplines. Training, consultation, and education includes dynamic training and providing ongoing consultation. Stakeholder and citizen incentives and motivation focuses on fostering citizen motivation, providing feedback, and establishing supportive environments. Finally, ethical considerations integrates ethical and legal aspects into citizen science practices. In the next step, we define a maturity model ranging from junior to senior citizen scientists for the 8 engagement categories. As you can see, design and planning progress from basic understanding of project design to strategic leadership in international project planning. Communication advances from basic communication with citizen scientists to developing different communication strategies for diverse groups. Understanding context evolves from assessing barriers to providing solutions for complex cases. Networking and outreach develops from connecting citizens with researchers to building transdisciplinary coalitions of citizens, stakeholders, and researchers. Transdisciplinary teamwork progresses from using advisory boards under supervision to leading and supervising project planning. Training, consultation, and education advances from participating in training activities to creating transdisciplinary learning collaboratives. Stakeholder and citizen incentives and motivation develops from proposing incentives under supervision to consulting on reward systems. Finally, ethical considerations progress from knowledge of ethical considerations to supervising ethical aspects. I hope you enjoyed getting to know the framework of engagement skills that we developed. Thank you for watching. In the next and last video, we'll learn about a game to identify your own engagement skills.